I came here to scout the area, and this is the Kannamangala Lake, and it is started raining here. I didn't know that it may rain, but the prediction was around 8 o'clock. Looks like it started raining right now. So yeah, let me get into my poncho. Started raining heavily. Yes. And I'm hoping my camera will hold good. So this is the shot that I want to do. So I plan to place the camera and then take the log. It is raining cats and dogs, as you can see. The rain seemed to be easing, though I have lost a lot of light. Probably I'll just take a quick tour and see how it is. I'll scout this area so that I can come at some other time. It's got all slushy, and I have just worn my flip-flops. I did not expect a rain. I have not brought my tripod. Let me see if I can use this slab as a base to take my picture. So I am trying to shoot from here. I am trying to place the camera on this rock, and I am trying to get the picture of that lamppost and that island, or whatever we call it. So because I can place the camera on the rock, I can try a slow shutter speed. Let's see how that goes. Now two. Now the rain didn't stop at all. The rain continues. I thought it will ease up and then I would be able to take some snaps, but it hasn't. But luckily, because I have the poncho, I can continue taking, and my camera is weather resistant. What I miss is I did not bring my tripod. Not able to take many of the shots which I could have taken otherwise. I like the way these grass shoots have been planted, or they are naturally there. It's quite nice to see. Another spot from where I can get a better picture. I'm losing light. But it's still fun. I brought my Fuji X100V. That's an excellent camera for street photography. But today what I wanted to take was landscape photography, and I kind of missed my Canon and the zoom lens, because through that I can change perspective, which I cannot now. I'm going to take a circle. I'm going to go through that bridge, and then I think I'm done for today. The poncho is soaking wet and my clothes are also becoming wet. I had got this poncho from Decathlon for my Himalayan trek. There is no one around here, so I can shoot in peace. Oh, this is quite a big lake. I thought this was the end of it, but no, the bridge is just the middle of the lake. There you can see a small duck. And you can see the birds perching on the tree. They're okay to get wet. Looks like they're enjoying the rain. Let me see if I can place the camera here and get a nice shot of that tree. I don't know whether you can see in the camera, those are all small birds in the water enjoying the rain. And let me photograph this block of land in the middle of the water. I'm standing under this people tree, or I think that's what it is, and it's quite serene to hear the sound of the rain hitting the leaves on the ground. So I'm gonna be all wet and it's quite cold. Yeah, that's where I've parked.